How to disable haptic feedback in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can disable the haptic feedback in Undawn game. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the Undawn application on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the upper right hand corner, and in the expanded menu click on settings at the bottom right. Once you are done and you open the settings menu, go ahead and tap on the vibration option on the right. Inside vibration, go ahead and select off, and once you turn this off, you'll disable haptic feedback. The game will stop vibrating now once you turn that off. So there you have it. That is how you can easily disable haptic feedback or vibration in Undawn game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.